Guys, saying here more where came out the Python, and in today's Python video I am telling you about the understanding the global keyword in Python. So yeah, in today's video we are understanding the global keyword in Python. So yeah, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also so that about any future related videos about the Python. So now, without taking any time, let's move computer screen and let's understand the global keyword in Python. So let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, here you can see it one more programming came out the Python, and in today's Python video, I'm telling you about the understanding the global keyword in Python. So yeah, in today's video, we are understanding the global keyword in Python. So let's understand. The global keyword in Python allows you to modify a variable defined in the global scope from within a local function without declaring a variable as global. It attempting to modify it inside a function will create a new local variable. Here is one detailed explanation with examples. Why we use the global keyword? Why we use the global keyword? If you don't know, let me tell you. By default, variables in a functions are local. The global keyword is used when you need to. First, access and modify a variable declared in the global scope. Number 2, prevent and creating a new local variable when a global one exists. Example 1, without global. This is our example 1 without a global variable. And when you copy it and when you come here and when you here make your file of the index.py, and I am making this file on my document, you make this file anywhere. So when I make this type of file, so it give you this type of output. It give you some local error. Let me show you. It give me the local error. So here you can see it give me the local error like I have told you. Here a counter is created as a local variable, but is not initialized within the function, causing an error. Now example 2, it is using the global using the global variable. In this example we use the global variable. It give me in this code, it give me the output should be counter inside function 1 and then counter outside function should be 1. Let me show you. Save it and run it. So here you can see it, counter inside function 1, counter outside function 1, like this. And why doing like this? Because here I write like plus equals to 1 and then I write here our counter variable, then here I also write counter. So that's why give me 1. If I write here 2, so it give me 2. Here you can see it now. It give me 2 here. Like that. By using the global, the function modifies the counter variable in the global scope. Example number 3. Accessing the global variable without the global means in this example 3 we are accessing a global variable without the global variable. Means you can read a global variable without declaring it global, but you cannot modify it without the keyword. Okay, let me show you this one code. Let me go copy it. It give you the hello alive. In the output it give you the hello alive. Let me show you. Save it in error. Why do you give the hello alive? Because here first of all I make a one global variable like name equals to alias, and then my name variable I write like here string by the name of alias. Then I write here my graph keyword, then I write greet, then I say print, then in the print I write like my hello, then comma, then I write here my variable name, then say give me hello alive. Like that you can do it. Or you can change the name from here also. It is your own choice. If you want to change the name, so you will change it. If you do not want to change it, so you do not change it. Okay. So you can say give me hello Rayyan. So like that. Output. Here the name is read without needing the global keyword because it's not being modified. Important notes. First, avoid overusing global. Relying heavily on global can make code harder to debug and maintain. It better to use function parameters and return values to manage the data. Number 2, use global for truly global needs. It reserves it for variables that need to be shared across the multiple functions or modules. Best practice. Instead of the using global, consider encapsulating your variables and functions in a class or parsing data parsing data explicitly. This promotes cleaner, more modular code. And let me know if you do like to explore more advanced examples or alternative approaches. So tell me in the comment section below. Or if you want to write this code or more interactive, so let me show you how you can write it. Like you write like hello name. So you do like age, and in the age you write your age like 18, and then like color, then in the color you write like red. Red is a string, so we write it in the string. Now you say my age is, then comma, then you write here your age variable, then again comma, then write my favorite color is, then comma, then you write here your color variable, and then save it, and then it should give me hello Rayyan, my age is 18 and my favorite color is red. Here you can see like that. So like that you can do it, or you want to add a more things, so will be also added like my office YouTube. Sorry, YouTube is a string, so we write it in the string, and then I am writing like okay, all thing. Now then I write like my office is, then comma, then I am writing here my name like office. Perfect. Now okay, your O should be in small. So now let me save it from here. Now run it. So give me hello Rayyan, my age is 18, my favorite color is red, my office is YouTube. You can say like that, give me the output. So like that you can do it. Or you want to add a more things, so you will be also added. It is your own choice. If you want to add it, so add it. If you do not want it to add, so we do not add. So let me copy this code now and let me paste it. Here we can do, here we write like 1. So here if you write 50, so it give me like counter inside 50 and counter outside should be 50, like that. But in the global variable, if you write 5, then save it and run it. So now it give me 55. Why it give me 55? Because 5 plus 50 is equals to 55. If I write here 80 like that, now it give me like this. So you can see it like that. If you write here 85, save it and run it, should give me 135. Why? Because here I like counter plus equals to 50. Here I write like. So then if you write 85 plus 50 equals to 135, and when you save it and run it, should give me 135. Like that you can do it very easily. Yes. So this type of example I have told you. And if you change the things like counter inside a function, or here I am writing also inside a function. Now it give me inside a function, and like that. Or if you do not write this thing, so it will not give you your number. Okay, it will only give the counter inside the function and counter outside the function. Here you can say it does not give me the number. Why? Because I do not write here a variable of the counter. That's why. But whenever I list my counter variable, then it will give me the number. Here you can see it like that. So like that you can do it. So here you can see it. So in today's video, I told you about Python, how to understanding the global keyword in Python. We understand the global keyword in Python. So I hope you enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss about any future related videos about the Python. And we successfully completed very many videos of the Python. And if you want to access my playlist, so go onto the Google and search here my channel by the name of Rayyan, and then open my channel, and we are very near to 5,000 subscribers. So please complete my 5,000 subscribers. Then come onto your playlist, and we successfully completed the 126 videos of Python. Then bookmark the playlist from here, and then access and see start from end all the videos. Okay, then like here, come here. So then like all the videos and share for your friends, and subscribe to my channel also. Okay, then come on with my channel, and then come on it here. And this is the one of the biggest course of the Python, and I never seen this type of very big course in the Python history. Okay, we completed 135 videos of the Python, 135. And in this channel you will be only want the all HTML videos. Okay, not any else video, only Python videos. Here you can see it, only Python videos I uploaded on this channel, and not any video. Here you can see it. So like that. So but anyways, and if you want to email for paid promotion and business inquiries, you will be email me. My email is rayyan1253@gmail.com. Many people are asking to contact with me, so I'm telling you, if you want to contact with me, you will be go on to my email, and my email is rayyan1253@gmail.com, and it is also mentioned in my bio. Okay, so now I'm using Nicholas, and next very amazing class. So for today, good bye.